One small mistake in IMM 5669 Schedule A form and your entire spousal sponsorship application can get delayed or even refused without you even realizing what went wrong. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video and you guys are watching Parital Law Canada. In today's video, I will show you how to fill IMM 5669 Schedule A background declaration form step by step. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are following this spousal sponsorship series or you are new here on the channel, I have already covered some important forms step by step. Make sure to check out that full playlist. The link is in my description down below. Now coming back on today's topic, IMM 5669 Schedule A form. This form is very important in your application. IRCC uses this to check your personal history, education, work background, and any gaps in your timeline. They want a complete record of your life from the age of 18 or the last 10 years, whichever is most recent. So remember, this is not a form where you can guess or leave things incomplete. Everything must be accurate without any gaps. Now let's move to my laptop screen where I will show you how to fill IMM 5669 Schedule A background declaration form step by step. Guys, fill your application in Google Chrome browser because Safari browser is not compatible and will cause you issues while you fill your application, and I will leave all the important links in the description down below. IMM 5669 Schedule A background declaration form. Click on edit. Scroll down. Click on edit again. Scroll down. So some of the information is already filled. Scroll down. Your full name written in your native language or script. So guys, I've written this name in Punjabi. So guys, let's say if you don't know how to write your name in the native language, you can even Google it. Scroll down. The date of birth, personal details of your father, family name Singh, given name Inderjeet, their date of birth, the date of death if deceased. You need to enter that date over here. Scroll down. The town, the country, personal details of your mother, family name, car, given name Jaspal, date of birth, town, city of birth, and their country. Then click on save and continue. Scroll down. Section B, questionnaire. Most of the answer of these questions will be no, but still read the question and then answer it. For example, number 1, being convicted of a crime or offense in Canada for which a pardon has not been granted under the Criminal Records Act of Canada, no. So scroll down all the way down. If your answer to any of these questions is yes, please provide details below. So just type NA, not applicable. Click on save and continue. So section C is education. Give the number of the years of school you successfully completed for each of the following levels of education. Elementary/primary school 8 years from the class 1 to 8. Secondary high school, that means grade 9, 10, 11 and 12. University/college 3 years. Trade schools or other post-secondary school, that is 0. Scroll down. Give full details of all the secondary and post-secondary education. Education 1 from 2020-07 to 2017-08. The name of the institution, the city and country, the type of certificate and the field of study. Scroll down. Education 2 from 2015-04 to 2017-03. Name of the institution, city and country, type of certificate or diploma issued, grade 11 and 12, fields of study, arts. Education 3 from 2013-04 to 2015-03, the name of institution, city and country, type of certificate, grade 9 and 10, field of study, general. Scroll down, click on save and continue. If you are learning something useful from this video, hit the like button. I also noticed many viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you want more videos like this, please subscribe. It really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get back to the video. Section D, personal history. Provide the details of your personal history for the past 10 years or since your 18th birthday if it was less than 10 years ago. So scroll down. Enter the personal history 1 from 2020-08 to 2026-04, activity homemaker, city, town and country, status in country, citizenship, name of the company not applicable. Scroll down. Personal history 2 from 2017-08 to 2020-07, activity studying, city, town, status in country, citizenship, name of the company, CSJM University. So guys, this was the date when she had 18th birthday, so you don't have to go past this date. So scroll down. You don't have to click on add another, just click on save and continue. Section E, membership and association with organizations. So membership 1 not applicable, type of organization not applicable, activities not applicable, city and country not applicable. Click on save and continue. Section F, government positions. So same thing, country none, department none, activity none, or you can say not applicable. Click on save and continue. Section G, military and paramilitary service. Name of the country none, branch of service none, ranks none, reason for the end of service none, dates and places of any active combat none. Click on save and continue. Section H, addresses. List all the addresses where you have lived in the past 10 years or since your 18th birthday if it was less than 10 years ago. Address 1. So guys, enter the date over here since your 18th birthday if it was less than 10 years ago, and the rest of the details are already filled. Scroll down, click on save and continue. So this form is now filled. Click on complete and return to application, and the status for this form is ready to submit. So that's how you fill IMM 5669 form. In the next part of this spousal sponsorship series, I will show you how to fill out IMM 5562 supplementary information, your travels form. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.